I'm going to show you a little bit up here and talk to you before I get started because you don't see me clean up here very much. But this is our upstairs and this is the girls' bathroom. It looks clean just by looking at it, but I promise you it's not. There's toothpaste everywhere and the rugs need to be washed. It just needs to be sanitized and all that good stuff. So I'm going to be cleaning that. Let's see. This shelf here needs to be dusted. It's pretty dirty. And then the girls' rooms, of course, Kinsley's room just needs to be straightened up a little bit. Some clothes that need to be put away. And I need to like wipe everything down and vacuum in here. And then in Madeline's room, here's a book that I threw up here. This is just her dirty laundry because her clean laundry is downstairs. She's still got to fold it. But she pretty much cleans her own room for me, which is great. She does a really good job. One day a week she comes in and cleans her room. But as you can see, it needs a little straightening up. So since I'm up here, I'm going to go ahead and do it. And I want to do a really good vacuum job because she does a really good job, but I just want to go ahead and vacuum again. And she has like Christmas lights strung everywhere. As you can see, she loves the way that it looks in here. So she's 11 and I'm just kind of trying to let her like do her own thing. So she has those, and this is Bailey's kennel. We had a really cute kennel cover and she tore it up. So now she gets old rags until she's out of her puppy stage. Bailey, are you a bad girl? Are you a naughty girl? And this is Madeline's bedding, and I did want to show you guys this, and I wanted to show you something else in here as well. But this is by Betty's, and I am so happy that we got this because it has made her life so much easier. And it's funny that I'm filming this today. Of all days, she didn't make her bed, which is so weird because normally she makes her bed every single day because it's so easy to do. She just zips it up. So if you've never heard of Betty's before, they are so awesome. So all this is it's like a fitted sheet kind of. I'm going to show you. It just goes over her mattress like that. And then it unzips. It unzips all the way around. But she just unzips it on the side she gets in. It already has the sheets built in. And then this nice little minky, I think that's what you call that material. Minky blanket kind of like already sewn in. And then it comes with the pillowcases and the shams as well. And they have all kinds of really cute prints. They have boy prints, girl prints. They have stuff for adults even. It's really cool. So when she goes to make her bed in the morning, she just tucks that under and zips it up and her bed's made. I don't know why she didn't make it this morning, but I'm going to make it for her and show you guys how easy it is to do. And then also I was going to tell you about this humidifier here. It can diffuse oils, I think it says in the instructions, but it's actually a humidifier. So I don't know why the lights are on right now. I need to turn those off. You just put water in it, holds a lot more than the little oil diffusers, and she has it because she gets bloody noses a lot. I got it on Amazon, and I will link it for you guys, as well as I will link this for you so you can check them out. It would make a great Christmas present for anybody really in your life, but I think they're really cool. So anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and get started. It shouldn't take me too long, and just get it cleaned up here. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, I am Jessica. So I'm cleaning the upstairs of my house. That is where the girls' bedrooms are. And then we do have a family room, but I did not clean that on this day. I just cleaned their bathroom, mainly their bedrooms, and then our hallway, which is basically the size of a room. But yeah, that's what I'm doing. So I'm just straightening everything up. I'm going to dust using the method Wood for Good, which is my favorite. And that's pretty much all I used for the bedrooms.
I guess I couldn't see just what you meant to me. Get off the phone and sober up because it's you and me now. You and me now. You and
I don't always use the carpet refresher type powders or whatever, but every once in a while I do, just to change things up. So I did sprinkle down the carpets when I vacuumed, so I was just using the Arm & Hammer, I think, the pet refresh one, and I enjoy them, but like I said, I don't use them all the time.
All you seem to do is lie. Those days are gone. I'm walking tall while you're alone. When I think about the way we used to be, when I think about the things you took from me, I know that I am so much better.
And then here I was just putting in a Scentsy in her Scentsy, which that is like one of the original Scentsy's, the little Princess Tiara one. And I put in the Newborn Nursery, which smells like baby powder. It smells so good, and I only have 1 cube left. But anyways, that's her room all clean. And I've had a few people ask me about where to find Scentsy. Scentsy is its own company, so they have a website, and I'm sure there are many ladies that would be happy to help you out. So if you sell Scentsy, go ahead and feel free to leave your info in the comments of this video, and if somebody doesn't know what it is and wants to check it out, you can do it that way. And just for the record, I do have my own Scentsy lady that I use and I love, so I'm good, but in case anyone else was curious, then there you go.
Might be shaken but not stirred. Just a lesson that I've learned.
So the Betty's bedding, I'll talk a little bit more about it here, but it's pretty self-explanatory just by looking at it. It basically fits over the mattress like a fitted sheet, and it's super easy to make, so it's great for kids because it's easy to make, and then they do sell it for adults as well. The only thing I would say is if you're like me and you're somebody who likes to put your feet outside of the covers, then I wouldn't recommend one. But for kids, Madeline loves hers. She said that she feels so snug and she loves how easy it is to make in the morning. I love how easy it is to just pop off and throw in the washer. And I love the print. It's so pretty and they have so many pretty ones to choose from. I had a hard time picking one.
When I think about the way we used to be, when I think about the things you took from me, I know that I am so much better, better off. When I look at what I've done, the way I'm hard, when I look at what I've won, I've come so far. I know I'm so much better off, and baby, you don't belong.
I've never been the one who's worried, always been the one who's keeping it cool. The kind of guy who chill while others hurry. I didn't know that I've been the fool. I've been telling lies about something real, but I know love is based on honesty. Kept thinking how real love should feel, knowing that it's not just you, it's me. 'Cause I was made to be free. I am made to be free. I am made to be free. Well, I am made to be free. To be free. When I know that it's not how you get me. Been thinking about myself and myself only. I've been like that since I was a kid.
So now I'm just cleaning their bathroom, and it wasn't too bad. I didn't do a deep clean or anything. I just did the usual where I like wipe down the countertops and the mirrors and the toilet. I did put a little bit of Comet in the toilet. I do like to use something besides just the toilet ones just because, I don't know. There's no really particular reason you don't need to, but I do like to use like some sort of bleach or something. So I'm just wiping down with some Method cleaner. It's not my favorite. It's like the orange clementine or something like that, and it doesn't smell that great. I've had it for a while. I'm just trying to use it up, but yeah, I'm just wiping down their bathroom real quick, and then I did wash their rugs and their hand towel. I did get their shower curtain from Kohl's as well as the matching hand towel. I know a few of you will want to know. It is so pretty. I love it. But anyways, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. And don't forget to leave me a thumbs up before you click out. And I will see you guys next time.